Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is the part 5 and last part of our video series on trouble spots for reliability. We hope that you have learned a lot so far. And just to let you know, we are very happy to have you join us. So, let's dive right in and explore further. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for the latest updates on car reliability. Trouble spot 15. Loose steering wheel, difficulty keeping the car straight, steering wheel vibration. If you've ever experienced a loose steering wheel, difficulty keeping your car straight, or noticed a vibration in the steering wheel, it's important not to ignore these warning signs. These trouble spots can indicate underlying car reliability issues that need immediate attention. Here's what you need to know. Loose steering wheel. A loose steering wheel can be a frustrating and potentially dangerous problem. When your steering wheel feels loose or has excessive play, it can make it difficult to control your vehicle properly. This issue may be caused by worn out or damaged steering components, such as the steering linkage or tie rods. If you notice your steering wheel feels loose, it's essential to have it inspected by a qualified mechanic. They can diagnose the underlying problem and recommend the necessary repairs. Ignoring a loose steering wheel can lead to further damage and compromise the safety of your vehicle. Difficulty keeping the car straight. Another common sign of car reliability issues is difficulty in keeping your car straight while driving. If you find yourself constantly correcting the steering to stay on track, it could be indicative of an alignment problem or worn-out suspension components. Misaligned wheels can cause your car to pull to one side or make it more challenging to maintain a straight path. Additionally, worn-out suspension parts can affect the stability and handling of your vehicle. It's crucial to address these issues promptly to avoid further damage or tire wear. To resolve the difficulty of keeping your car straight, schedule a wheel alignment with a trusted mechanic. They will ensure that your wheels are properly aligned, allowing for smoother handling and improved steering control. Steering wheel vibration. Feeling vibrations in your steering wheel while driving is another troubling sign that shouldn't be ignored. Steering wheel vibration can indicate several potential issues, including unbalanced or damaged wheels, worn-out suspension components, or problems with the tires. If you notice a persistent vibration in your steering wheel, it's essential to have it inspected by a professional. They can assess the condition of your wheels, tires, and suspension system to pinpoint the exact cause of the vibration. Timely repairs or replacements will not only improve the overall driving experience but also ensure the safety and reliability of your vehicle. Remember, regular maintenance and addressing these trouble spots promptly can help you avoid further complications down the road. If you encounter any issues with a loose steering wheel, difficulty keeping your car straight, or steering wheel vibrations, don't hesitate to consult a qualified mechanic who can diagnose the problem and provide the necessary solutions. Trouble spot 16. Loss of power, rough idle, engine misfire. Experiencing a loss of power, rough idle, or engine misfire in your car can be quite unnerving. These symptoms not only affect your driving experience but also indicate potential reliability issues with your vehicle's engine. In this section, we will explore these trouble spots in more detail and discuss what they could mean for your car. Loss of power. One of the most frustrating issues a driver can encounter is a sudden loss of power while operating their vehicle. Imagine trying to accelerate onto the highway, only to find that your car is sluggish and unresponsive. This lack of power can make it difficult to maintain speed and can even pose a safety risk in certain situations. A loss of power can be caused by various factors, including fuel delivery problems, ignition system issues, or a malfunctioning sensor. It's important to have your car inspected by a qualified mechanic to diagnose the root cause accurately. Addressing the issue promptly will not only restore performance but also prevent further damage to your engine. Rough idle. An engine that idles roughly can create a noticeable vibration throughout the entire vehicle. You may feel the steering wheel or driver's seat shaking, and there might be an audible inconsistency in the engine sound. This rough idle can be a sign of underlying problems that need attention. Several factors can contribute to a rough idle, such as faulty spark plugs, a clogged fuel injector, or a malfunctioning sensor. Poor fuel quality or a dirty air filter could also be the culprits. Ignoring a rough idle can lead to decreased fuel efficiency and potential damage to engine components. Therefore, it's crucial to have the issue diagnosed and resolved promptly. Engine misfire. When your car engine misfires, it means that one or more cylinders fail to ignite the fuel-air mixture properly. This misfire can manifest as a jerking or shaking sensation while driving, accompanied by a loss of power. Additionally, you may notice a rough and uneven sound coming from the engine. Multiple factors can contribute to engine misfires, including faulty ignition coils, worn spark plugs, or a malfunctioning fuel injector. Ignoring this issue can lead to further damage to the engine, catalytic converter, or other components. It's essential to have a professional mechanic diagnose the cause of the misfire and undertake the necessary repairs. Remember, a loss of power, rough idle, or engine misfire should never be ignored. These issues can indicate significant reliability problems in your car's engine. Seeking professional help to diagnose and address these trouble spots promptly will ensure your vehicle runs smoothly and reliably for years to come. Trouble spot 17. Uneven tire tread wear, cracks or bulges on the tire sidewall. As a car owner, it's essential to pay attention to the condition of your tires, as they play a crucial role in ensuring a safe and reliable driving experience. Trouble spot 17 focuses on two significant issues that can impact tire reliability: uneven tread wear and cracks or bulges on the tire sidewall. Let's delve into each subsection to understand the implications and potential risks associated with these problems. Uneven tire tread wear. One of the most telltale signs of potential car reliability issues is uneven tire tread wear. When tires wear unevenly, it indicates a problem with the vehicle's suspension, alignment, or tire balance. It's vital to address this issue promptly, as uneven tread wear can jeopardize your safety on the road and result in decreased fuel efficiency. Uneven tire tread wear can manifest in various ways, including 1. Cupping. Cupping occurs when small, scalloped dips or cups start forming on the tire tread. This is often an indication of worn-out shock absorbers or suspension components. Feathering. Feathering refers to a situation where the tire treads have a sawtooth appearance when running your hand over them. This issue is typically caused by misaligned wheels or improper tire rotation. Inside or outside edge wear. Uneven wear on the inside or outside edges of the tire tread can be a sign of improper tire inflation, worn-out suspension components, or misalignment. If you notice any of these signs of uneven tire tread wear, it's essential to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic. They will be able to diagnose the underlying causes and recommend the appropriate repairs or adjustments to ensure your tires wear evenly and maintain their reliability. Cracks or bulges on the tire sidewall. Inspecting your tire sidewalls is just as important as checking the tread wear. Cracks or bulges on the tire sidewalls can indicate potential tire failures and pose significant safety risks. It's crucial to identify and address these issues promptly to avoid the possibility of a blowout while driving. Here are the key points to consider. Cracks. Cracks on the tire sidewalls are often caused by aging, exposure to harsh weather conditions, or prolonged sun exposure. These cracks weaken the tire's structural integrity, making it more prone to failure, particularly during high-speed driving or sudden impacts. Bulges. Bulges on the tire sidewalls typically occur due to internal tire damage, such as a separated tire ply or an impact with a pothole or curb. These bulges indicate weakened areas that can rupture under stress, resulting in a blowout while driving. Regularly inspect your tire sidewalls for any signs of cracks or bulges. If you come across such issues, it's crucial to replace the affected tires immediately. Ignoring these problems can lead to sudden tire failure and potentially dangerous situations on the road. Remember, maintaining proper tire condition and addressing any irregularities promptly is key to ensuring your car's reliability and your safety as a driver. Regular inspections and necessary maintenance can go a long way in preventing potential issues and keeping your tires in top-notch condition. In conclusion, being aware of the 17 trouble spots that signal car reliability issues is essential for every car owner. By paying attention to these problem areas, you can prevent major breakdowns and save yourself from costly repairs. Regular maintenance and inspections are key to identifying and addressing these issues early on. Remember to keep an eye on the engine, transmission, brakes, suspension, and electrical system, among others. Additionally, staying up to date with manufacturer recalls and addressing them promptly is crucial for maintaining the reliability of your vehicle. By being proactive and addressing these trouble spots, you will gain a smoother and more reliable driving experience. Thank you for tuning in to Easy Driver. We've covered some crucial trouble spots in this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our automotive insights. Thank you for watching.